What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove this hood vent on a brand new Honda Passport. So just got to pop your hood. So we already did that. And all you're gonna need for this how-to is a 10 mil with either a long 10 mil with an extension, something like that. Either way it's a 10 mil, you'll need a 10 mil socket. Lift up the hood. And under here, you will find these guys here, these holes. So these two, for some reason, are capped and the rest are not. I don't understand it. That is just what Honda does. This is the second one I've seen like this. So the first one is just a tab. Second one is a 10 mil bolt. Third one is a tab. Center one is a bolt. And then this one, if you pop this one out, that's just another tab. You pull this one off, and there's another 10 mil, and then another tab. So what you're gonna wanna do is remove those 3 10 mils. So go ahead and remove those 3 10 mils. We're gonna do that right now. Obviously you can use a little power ratchet if you have, or impact. Just be very careful when you're using power tools on small stuff like this. I like to just use ratchets and basic tools, especially when I'm showing you guys, because not all of you guys have all the fancy tools. So I want to prove that you guys can do it in your home garage. Whether you're, full-blown mechanic, need to do these, have all the tools you could possibly dream of, or you're a home mechanic, or just a DIY person, you can do this sort of stuff. So there we go, we got those 3 out, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our finger, I'm just gonna take my finger, and I'm just gonna push back on that first tab, and push out. That's already releasing it from the front. So we're gonna do the same thing here, back and out. You can see it's moving there. It's already releasing it. Again here, and push in. If you can't, if it seems like it's not going, you can take your fingers and from the outside on the front, just push in a bit. You'll see this tab move in, then push back and pull up. That'll just help release it. There we go. That is all released. Now we can go ahead and close the hood. Now that our hood is closed, now it's just a matter of pulling it up and out. You don't want to pull all the way up, just pull up about an inch and then out, because there is these tabs here that are holding it in place into there. So when you're putting it back in, kind of just set it there like that, and then push towards inside and then down, and you'll hear it click back into place. And then those are clicked put back. You just gotta put your 10 mils back in and those covers. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys on how to remove this. Really simple, really easy. Whether you're doing a wrap, you're doing a color change wrap, paint protection film wrap, just much easier to remove these pieces and be able to wrap around inside there, hiding your seams, much cleaner installs. Or maybe you're replacing it with a aftermarket piece. This is just the easier way to go about it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.